And being available all the time feels generous, and it is also expensive. If you are peach blossom, people can reach you easily. You reply fast, you pick up calls, you respond late, and you think this is called professionalism. Well, you tell yourself, well, just settle first, later I rest. It's okay, small thing, and later becomes, wow, very late. Availability feels like kindness, but availability without limits teaches people one thing, that your time is flexible, and flexible time gets bent. People message you at night, during lunch, on weekends, not because they are rude, but because you train them. Here's an uncomfortable truth. Access shapes behavior. When access is unlimited, respect quietly drops. Not intentionally, but automatically. You see, leaders don't remove access, they schedule it. Access becomes intentional, and intention creates weight. That's why people who are always available feel drained, not because they work harder, but because their time is constantly fragmented, and fragmented time drains energy faster than effort. You see, in period 9, speed is everywhere. Messages never stopped. If you stay fully available, you disappear into noise. And you don't need to reply slower. You don't need to reply deliberately. Deliberate access tells people, well, this matters. So if you are peach blossom and feel exhausted by constant access, subscribe to this channel. This is where we rebuild authority by redesigning access. You see, authority feels kind, sensitivity feels powerful, and power protects you.